Mnonga omurebi witu mukundwa wa Tayari West Television abogumizamu ori kureba obuhereza bwitu no kukira mnonga makuru aguturu kuyereza kwisyaho ebirungire bisyakuruga ombiyanga bitaro mwena mwene gambere ebi nyowe job na manya apuli ndi omu district ya Ntungamo hamwanya oguru kumanywa nka Africa Coffee Park omwanya ogu nugumwe ahamyanya eriyo muihangeri etirweho kugira ngo etungure omutindo gwa omwani omwihanga nangwa no kukira mnonga okugukora gukarugamu ebintu ebiri kubasa kuyamba ihanga kutunga entasya ogunugumwe amyanya etirweho omurtayayo orukumanywa nka Explorer Ankole oru ministry yebyo burambuzi ebase kwane leta omucyange cye cha Ankole kugira ngo abantu abari kunde byo burambuzi hamwe n'abandi bantu babasa kumanya Uganda okweri kushana ngo no kukira mnonga echanga echa Ankole echere kumanywa nka the land of milk and honey kandi changa echamate hamwe na nobwochi echabantu bingi bari kwesimisa so turi aha Ntungamo Coffee Park kandi kore no rebe nyuma yanje abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abarambuzi batari bamwe na bamwe ku rugombicweka byinji omuyihanga babase kushika mwanyogu kugira ngo babase kurambura ogumwanya erizoba nijoba rya kabiri rya Explorer Ankole habwo kuba etandikira ijoba rya nyamwe bazo obwe abarambuza babire ne baruga Kampala batandikire oruramburo rwabo ahareki Mbulo National Park kokari izoba Basiiba Ahari Ankole Coffee Park aho bariye baza kurambura kwetegereza ebikwasira mwanya ogunangwa n'ogo mwanya plan eyugwine eyo kutungura ebyo burambuzi nyana tugambe hona bamwe abarambuzi abari mwanya ogu batugambire bo nibahurira batakushika mwanya nkogu and ekintu kiyenzi tamura kita nyabo tusanyiso kulaba amanya go bakuyitani
Amanya gange bamtana Ntambisha Mina Bushra and I am Miss Central Region, Miss Confidence and Miss Uganda High School Ambassador 2023. Yes.
Guno gwe mulundu gwo gusoso kujja wano mu Ankole?
Not exactly. Sometime, like some years back when I was still younger, we used to stay in Bisheni, but it had been a while and I've just come back today and it feels like I've never been here. And everything is just so amazing.
Okay, so tell us what amazing thing you're seeing in this place, Ankole, and why you think it was the right choice for Ugandans to visit Ankole around this time.
From what I've seen today, Ankole is a very, very rich region. There are lots of things here that we have not always been paying attention to. One of the things that has struck out most for me was the pineapple plantations as we were heading to Ntungamo. I saw like very many pineapples and I had never seen like a pineapple plantation in my life. And then this water fountain here as well. Everything is just so amazing. I'm so happy to be here.
Okay. All right, Mnonga, thank you so much for showing up. And of course, kutugambira ko yeno Ehururu chikankezi. Tushirenti keno misho no ganira bamwe abarambuzi abariyo mwanyogu ntwenda turebe bo binentekateka kiwamu hurogwe yagirango kuba munya Uganda ne kintu chamani kandi kironki bashemeza Mnonga. Twera tugambe ono ndizo queen o twaleba ha multimedia queen Miss Culture Uganda 2026 twakwakira we happy to host you. Oliyoti ya mkwano.
Nibulungi nashemerego kubareba abana bomuka amazina ganje ninye aho muzade ndio munyakwerekazi era region yanje ninye na represent injire ndabihira yechi.
Okay, tugambire iwe nko munyankorekazi orutaya yorurwa Explorer Ankole kwiza Ankole ni chumanyisa chariwe kandi otekateka ngo abanya Uganda bwakibashemeye kwesimira omu ntebe kansankeje.
Nyonko first of all nka queen kandi ko muntu wabira yesimbire ari kurugom Ankole region nari abantu bakwije mu region yanje nicishembeza nindi nkoro kubareto mukani mbaja muije tugende nimpamanya so then to the Ugandans nichinchishembeza kugira mbu twantwija twagenda ntuhagira abantu bafunda ba customer these things bakabiteka on to be exposing as multimedia queen nabikwata nkabyoreka abantu tibanya Uganda bonka barabirebe n'abantu aheru bakubireba nimbe Tayari TV ndishobate kureba abanya Uganda bonka so man moreke ibintu nkebi government eri kubisupportinga nitwa abana bato tukabijamo ntuntu influencing other people of different categories.
Okay, webale Mnonga queen witu omurungi Mnongo multimedia queen kandi wamureba na wari natshobora tushine ba queens binjaha kandi nabone bamwe abarambuzi abitwine edashikezi Miss Agriculture queen kandi na wari hampaha no mureba yakora mukace kace bati kumanyisangu yabaramusaho oliyoti ya mkwano
ndebulonje oliyoti
oyogera rulimi kirwe nyine olulungi
nange njagala kakasaba ganda abo
katsoko tunyonyole guno gwe mulundu gwo gusoso kujja wano Ankole oba wali wazeewo dda kino ekifo wali okirabyeko tunyonyole bulungi
ekifo kino ndowooza najjawo ku grand opening nga bakigulawo. Yes, kati guno gena bagwa kubiri.
Okay. Osanzewo ki, is there anything changing? Is there a reason eyinza okuleeta omunnayuganda okujja wano okulambula?
Nze kyensobola ogamba bannayuganda ababeerayo ne bagamba mbu obulimi temuli ssente. People mulime. If this is what agriculture can bring to the world, mulime ate muyongera okusimba emmwanyi, because emmwanyi kye kimu ku kyamaguzi ekyasookerawo ddala era ekikyaleeta ensimbi mu ggwanga Uganda. N'olwekyo wabanga development eno yonna yonna nga we mubiraba tuzze tutambula mbara, webanga development esinga ejja ku kino temukowa kulima kubanga enkumbi terimba.
All right, so yanziza mkwano, thank you so much for touring Uganda and especially Ankole. Tusanyuse nnyo okulaba, tujja kubanga tukweyongera obudde obulala. Bansebo na banyabo nojerano kireba kurungi munonga ngu Explorer Ankole yatandika kandi nukomashemererwa agoliyo noreba abantu bona bashemerirwe kurungi munonga kandi bariyene basima oburungi bwa Ankole ensi eyamate hamana bwoki. Ninyendangu tube tukurekira aha kandi tukumanyise ngu orurambo roruru okusya ahizo bari ya Sande izo bari ya nchakareza kusiba muri mbara hariyo okwiruka Ankole ibarkweta Mbara City Marathon neja kubero haho kandi nezindi ntebekanisa ezikuza kubazeroho omurambo roro zona nza kwantu zikwisyaho na buri kimwe cyona okutira benchi gender Hatayari West Television in job na manya apuli habwa Hatayari West Television hanuya omuri Ntungamo edachikezi kandi omurambura orwa Explorer Ankole.